you and me. One just love for us to taste now, smell, hear and see. But one glance from outside, looking at a world stage.